Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the vacancy available for the post of Finance Officer in a National Institute of Education Planning and Administration in Delhi. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, situated at 17B Shri Aurobindo Marg, New Delhi 110016, is notified for the post of Finance Officer and from the online applications. Number of posts is 1. Classification is Group A, that is Group A Gazetted Officer. Scale of pay 1111, that is the basic would be 67,700 to 2,08,700. It would be on a selection basis. Direct recruits maximum age is up to 55 years. Educational and other qualification is required is master's degree with at least 55% of the marks or an equivalent grade in a point scale wherever grading system is followed, with 9 years of experience as an assistant professor in the academic level 10 and above, with an experience in educational administration or comparable experience in research establishment or other institutes of higher education, or 5 years of administrative experience as assistant registrar or in equivalent post, or 5 years of administrative finance experience in level 10 or level 8, or 8 years of administrative experience in level 8 or 9. What is the method of recruitment? It is direct recruitment / deputation. Tenure of 5 years or till the attains the age of 60 years, whichever is earlier. If whether it is by direct recruitment or by deputation, maximum age is 60 years and till the age of 60 or 5 years, whichever is earlier. How do you have to apply? The duly signed downloaded copy of the completed application submitted through online portal must reach registrar. It is very clearly written that eligible candidate may apply as per the valid format of the institute uploaded on the website. Application received through any other mode, offline mode, resume shall be summarily rejected. And after applying online, you have to take out a printout of that and send it to Registrar, National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, New Delhi 110016, within 3 weeks from the closing date, by courier or speed post or by hand only, along with the necessary enclosures, including application fees of Rs 1000 for others and 500 for SC, ST and PWD candidates. In favor of National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, the demand draft would be in favor of National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, payable at New Delhi. And if you anybody who wants to make a direct transfer, then the account details are given. NIEPA accounts main. Account number is 91392010001112. IFSC code is CNRB 0019139. Name of the bank is Canara Bank and branch is Kutab Institutional Area, New Delhi. A proof of submission of fees is to be enclosed in the hard copy of the application. The envelope containing the application should be subscribed application for the post of Finance Officer. If you are making the payment online, then you have to take out a print of sending the online payment, like the UTR number or something, anything, or your account screenshot, and then you have to send a copy along with the application forms and enclosures. Candidates already employed have to submit their application through proper channel or with the NOC. Candidates from outside Delhi called for the interview shall be paid 2 AC train fare by shortest route from the address mentioned in the application. Relaxation would be given as per the Government of India rules, and the other benefits, because it is a regular post, so all the government job benefits you will be getting, like GPF, CPF, GIS, NPS, etc. would be there. The last date for online application is 23rd of June 2021 till 5 PM, that is 1700 hours. And what is our website? NIEPA.ac.in. This is an site link wherein you have to apply for the post of Finance Officer. If you have the requisite skills and requisite experience and falling in the criteria as mentioned in the advertisement, then you can apply for the post This is a permanent post and with the good basic pay skills and the other benefits of the government job. So whosoever is interested can apply for the same in National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration in New Delhi. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.